Hey everybody, have you had this problem? Let me show you. Look at that. If you're having this problem, we're going to show you how to fix it. Hey everybody, so a while back you guys saw me do a video on the Jeep Wrangler JLs and Gladiators having an issue with a visor. You know that visor problem? Well, here my buddy Christopher contacted me. I'll show you Christopher. Chris, say hi.
Hey everybody.
That's Chris. He's kind of shy, so we'll just leave him out of this video. Anyways, he contacted me because he has a 2020 Dodge Ram, and he's having the same similar issue as the problem with the Jeeps. So he brought his Ram over to us and asked us if we could find a solution to fix this problem. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, I'm going to show you right now. It has to do with the visors. If you own a Ram from 2019 or newer, you probably are having this problem. And what I mean by that is, check this out. See that? If you're having this problem, we're going to show you the solution to fix this and get you all taken care of. We're going to step and we're going to walk you over the product that we're going to be using to fix this problem. Okay, so as you can see, we've laid out the kit that we're going to be installing. Now this kit will come with everything you're going to need to install your visors or repair your visors. The kit comes with the instructions, as you can see here. We're actually going to lay these over to the side because we're going to show you step by step how easy it is to install. The kit will come with the two bigger brackets, as you can see here, and the two smaller ones. These are going to actually lay on top of each other, and then we're going to put the screws through it. You will need a T20 and you will need a Phillips screwdriver to get this squared away in your truck. Now what we're going to do is we're going to actually step into the truck and show you guys how easy it is to install. Well, as you can see, we talked about the product we're going to be using. In this case, Christopher, his came off to the point where it ripped off the wire. So we're going to just put this aside and we're going to install the kit. Now, one of the things that I forgot to mention is you will need a small flathead screwdriver to remove this plastic trim. On that side over there, the actual visor is completely gone. He forgot to bring it. So we're only going to show you how to fix one, but he's going to go back and fix the other one when he gets a chance. Now what we're going to do is we're going to first go in here. As you can see, there's a little notch there. We're going to put the screwdriver there and just pop it off. Once you do that, you'll have access to the two screws. You're going to take your T20 and you're going to start removing those. There's going to be two of these. So we'll remove that one. Oh, one fell. No worries, we don't need it. Here's the other one. Like so. And so one thing that we're going to do is we're going to take this piece and put it back up here. Leave that the way it is. And then latch it on here. Oh, quick step. I forgot to mention something else. Sorry about that. Is we're going to take this piece and pop it off. As you can see, it's got two, it's like little bumps here that actually clip onto the back, and that's what holds it up. I'm going to put that aside. We're going to push this back up like so. Now we're going to put this in there like this. Pop it up. And this is going to be the easiest way to do it. Put it up like so. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our two pieces like this. We're going to mount them one on top of the other. As you can see, this one's on top. And we're going to sandwich this over here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the first piece and we're going to put it like so, as you can see. See how it goes over that? And then we're going to take the second piece, which is this one here, and this one's got to pop into place. Now you're going to hear it pop. You see that? Now that's going to sit like this, okay? Once you've got that, you're going to take your first screw and you're going to put it through here. Try to do it with one hand. Let's pop in the other one. Try to get my hand out of the way for you so you can actually see. There's that one. And there's that one. Push him in nice and snug. And voila, there it is. As you can see, everything works and functions as it should. This is very sturdy. So this should give you the fix you've been looking for, and it should save you hundreds. And what I found is that depending on the dealership, some are charging $300, $400, $500 for the repair. So this is a real easy fix. I know that it works from 2019 or newer Dodge Rams. It also works with the new Wagoneer. I know they're having problems with the same visors, and also the Grand Cherokees. So if you need more information, would like to order one, you could call us at 480-569-3133. You can also order them on our website at brpautodesigns.com. With that, I leave you guys. Hope this video helped you guys out. We're always here to help. So with that, I leave you guys. God bless you all, and we'll see you next time.